Imagine building a real income stream in 2026 with just a laptop and an internet connection. No tech skills, no marketing degree, and no product to invent. Google Maps is currently the most underlooked way to find paying clients. And in this video, I'll show you how to find them, what to offer, and how to charge monthly for it. I'm not gonna waste any of your time. I'm just gonna jump right into how to make money with Google Maps, okay? So the first thing you need to do is go to Google Maps, type in a niche that could be dentists, lawyers, HVAC, electricians, whatever, and then location. So I picked Denver, Colorado, but you can really pick anywhere. So what most people see is just a bunch of businesses, but if you look a little closer, there's actually a lot more to it. So as you see here, there's a lot of businesses with lower review count. If you click some of these websites, they're actually pretty bad. There is so much missing. Also, almost all the businesses at the time of this video don't have any AI integrations. So when you start to look closer, you start to see, oh my gosh, there is a huge gap here, and that gap is where you can make your money. So before I jump into this, I just want you to know if you have any questions at all during this video, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. Also, I don't have some outdated course or some high ticket coaching upsell to sell you, don't worry. So put your credit cards away. We're just gonna jump right into this. So once you understand the opportunity, the next two questions are, what do I offer, how to price it, and then most importantly, how do I get clients? Because all these people online, they don't really show you how to get clients, but I'm gonna be going over both these. So first up, what do we offer these businesses? How do we solve the problem we just brought up? Let me show you. So we solve this problem by offering these three different beginner-friendly services. Now, by the way, I actually have these all already built, and I'm going to give them to you for free in this video, so don't worry. Even if you're a complete beginner, you don't have to set these up. First things first, we're going to want to give them a website or a website boost, okay? That's the first thing, and that's going to be like our lead magnet, okay? Kind of like Costco gives you a free sample and tries to make you to buy the whole thing. That's what we do. So immediately go, okay, that's great. We then do an autoresponder, which is essentially going to reach out to their leads if they message you back, and then we're going to get them more Google reviews, and then we're going to charge $297 a month for it. The beauty of this entire process, not just that I built all this out and you can get started as a beginner instantly, is that we can actually upsell the business owners on AI services like AI chatbots, AI voice agents, and all these other stuff, which I'm going to show you in a sec, which are actually really easy to set up. And the reason this is so important is all these people online will just say, now get these businesses and charge them $297. But because AI can do so much of the work for you, one of the easiest ways to make even more money on Google Maps is not by actually selling more business owners. It's actually upselling the ones that you get. So each client you have becomes worth way more money. So now that you understand these three, let me actually show you what these look like and how to do them. Then, okay, how to go and actually find your clients so we can start reaching out to them. So the first issue we're going to solve, like I said before, is the website upgrade. Now, what you can do is you can use certain softwares to just give them a new template like this, and you have websites that look like this. Say you're going after dentists, which are fine, but what you can also do is you can vibe code websites instantly. And this is where this gets really powerful, and this is where AI is absolutely insane. You don't have to do the work. You can be a world-class web designer overnight, even if you're a beginner, with a vibe coder. So like you're seeing right now on the screen, the vibe coder, you just type in what you want and it spits out exactly what you're looking for in minutes, okay? And like this website right here, I created this in seconds, and the cool part is too, is we can go to existing websites and just remake them instantly with this vibe coder. So that's a huge thing as well. So that's the first step, is giving them a website facelift. And again, this is very easy either by using a template, but honestly, I recommend just using a vibe coder because it takes you seconds and AI does all the work for you. So that's the first step. And the second step, which is really important, is the autoresponder. So when someone lands on, let's say, one of these websites, we need an automation which immediately reaches out to them. And again, guys, I'm going to be giving you all of this stuff for free. I'm going to show you in a second. I'm serious. I'm not going to sell you some high ticket coaching or course. I'm serious. So just don't freak out. But as you see here, these kinds of automations can do all of this for you. That way, as soon as someone lands on their website, let's say their client wants to get a form, it will immediately send out the exact offer that you need to do. And again, like I said before, we can upsell to AI chatbots, which is where you make way more money. And I don't see other people talking to YouTube like this because they don't actually understand it. They're behind the times, but we can go even further. Then the last part I talked about is the reviews. How do we get business owners more reviews? They will pay a lot for that, but also in the age of AI, Google is putting a very big emphasis and pressure on reviews because they can check the IP address and you can't fake it. So they're actually making reviews count for more. So in a little bit, more and more people are going to be trying to pay for review services. So this is really important. And in here, I have this send review request automation where when you turn this on inside of a business, anytime a business gets a job done, it will then send them said review request. Now, the cool part is, like I said before, all of this is already set up for you. If you had to go through and set this up by scratch, it'll be a pain in the ass. But with this, you just have to properly get the forms and then you're done. And it's already all set up. up in a software called Go High Level. Now, if you don't know what that is and you're completely new, don't worry. I'm not going to try to sell you something. I actually want to give you something really interesting, which is a 30-day exclusive free trial down below. Not a 14-day, an exclusive 30-day. That way you can try this stuff out. And if you hate it at the end of it and you're like, I think this is terrible, you can cancel. Done. Risk-free. That's what I want to do here. Don't worry. I'm going to show you some more stuff on how to get clients. But if you are interested in getting this and just getting started immediately and getting those 30 days free, so you can try it, it's right down below. But on top of that, I also want to help you personally do this so you actually know how to set this up. Because if you're a complete beginner and this looks overwhelming, don't worry, I have you covered. And when you sign up with that 30-day free trial, I'm also going to give you access to my entire private community full of winners. Now, in this community, not only do you get to talk and stay motivated 24/7, we have all of the trainings and systems already built for you that you could possibly want. I'm talking about stuff like this and AI chatbots and AI agents and even AI to do the work for you. We have this already all set up. And again, you get it for free when you sign up at High Level down below. But most importantly, I'm going to give you access to 7 live coaching calls every single week. So we have calls with me where you can talk to me on, Zoom face-to-face. We have calls with getting clients, help with sales, how to get clients advanced, how to learn Go High Level, how to get help with Go High Level, how to set up Go High Level systems. And if you look carefully, what do you see? Free. All these calls are free. You get to attend all of this. And guess what? If you really don't like this and you think all of this is terrible and you're like, you know what? I don't want to use High Level. Cancel after 30 days. No sweat off my back. No hard feelings. That way you can try this for free. And then after that, if you want to go with the software is relatively cheap. It's under $100. So I'm being serious, guys. There's no one else offering this, but I'm giving this to you because I think I can really help you. But unlike these other gurus, I want to give you a risk-free option. So that's the risk-free option. If that's interesting to you, go click that 30-day free trial link, sign up. We'll email you the access and you can immediately start getting on the calls. You can talk to people. And also, if you have any questions on this, drop down below and I'll answer. So now that you understand how to do the work for these businesses, and this is kind of like the how to make money on Google Maps side, how do we get clients? Because it's cool, okay, you know how to, help some people, but how do we get in touch with them? So there's a couple different things we can do. The very first method is you can literally just go through and start calling these people or walking into their business. That's the one way, or sending them a direct piece of mail. But what you can also do is you can use stuff like this. It's essentially a Chrome extension. As you see here, you can try smartscraper.com. It's completely free. I'm not selling you anything. I'm serious. You can just get it for free. And as you see here, it's going to go through and it's going to pull all of this business data, take it into a CSV. And then what you can do is you can import it into Go High Level. And then we can use AI chatbots to reach out and have conversations with them. So again, do your due diligence on compliance. I'm not a lawyer. This is for educational purposes only, but always check your compliance. I know all of you guys are in different laws, but don't just be spamming people. Please actually look into that. I know a lot of people on YouTube won't tell you, but it's because they're sketchy. I'm not. Follow the rules, please. But again, I don't know where you're at. But this way we can get a lot of these businesses right on in, and then we start having them and we can reach out to them in a bunch of different ways. Cold DM, cold call, cold email, cold SMS, which is sketchy, but there's a lot of different ways we can reach out to them. Now, I have a ton of videos on my channel of like how to do each of those, like how to send an email, how to do this. So if you're interested in that entire process, let me know. But it's relatively simple. You just reach out to them. You can also send them voicemails, but drop in the comments down below. I want to see the video on how to get clients because I have like a really long video that's 25 different ways to do this, but it walks through in depth. But the reason I'm not showing you right now, this video will be really long if I do that, but I have that all on my channel for free. So let me know and I'll hook you up. But that's essentially how you're going to reach out, and you can use these kinds of softwares to do so. The cool thing too is once you get these businesses on and you want to keep them paying you $297, $397, $497 per month, we can actually give them this app called Lead Connector, which you can get completely for free. Okay, it doesn't cost anything. It's through High Level, but to them, it looks like you're giving them a freebie, which you are, but it makes you look much better. And that way they can get all these notifications that, hey, you just got a new lead. Hey, you just got this, and this helps keep the stick rate higher. So in very simple terms, that's all you have to do to actually make money using Google Maps. Again, if you guys want to see videos of me cold calling, videos of me walking in, I have all of this on my channel. I'm trying to keep this video relatively short. Otherwise, we will be literally spending like 5 hours doing this, but I have you covered either way. We show all of it. So that is essentially how to make money with Google Maps in 2026. I'm going to be honest. The best part about this isn't just going, hey, we can vibe code you a website. Hey, we can, send you some AI automations. It's actually upselling them to stuff like AI agents, which are really big. If you don't know what AI agents are, they can message with you back and forth 24/7. They can even call you on the phone. They can talk to you like a human being and sell you on the phone. If you don't believe this, check this out.
Hello, you reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I'm looking to sell my house.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house, exciting. Let's get started. I can schedule a free evaluation with one of our expert agents to help price and market it effectively. Could you share the property address with me?
They can literally do customer support and sales 24/7. They are so powerful. And again, these are the upsells that are going to change everything, because a lot of the people online right now on these Google Maps videos, they're just going, oh, check this out. You can do, some automations. But in reality, AI is the most powerful thing. And it's what all these business owners want. So the most important part now is you just got to take action. Go out and start implementing all this. If you are interested in getting, the vibe coded sites, how to do that, all these automations, the AI agents, my entire private community calls, it's in the 30-day free trial down below. But you know what? I could yap about that all day. I'm not going to. I'm just going to link a video that's going to pop up in a second that's going to show you everything you get. It's also going to show you what real people are saying. Because a lot of these other guys online, they don't have real people saying real things because, well, they're kind of sketchy and they try to sell you more shit. Not me. Watch the video that pops up at the end of this one, because it's going to show you all of that. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And most importantly, watch the video that pops up right now.